Riro, one of my favorite soup, and this is a no boiling method and I'll be teaching you how to make it. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Bosse, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your Riro without boiling it. These are the ingredients you need in order for you to make your Riro. That's your diced pomo, our crayfish, our dried ejapanla, salt for seasoning, Lucas beans also known as Riro, our palm oil, seasoning cube, just 2 seasoning cube, grated onion and grated pepper, then our protein, mind you it is already boiled, and this is our fresh efo leaves, that's our efo shoko. So in the pot we're just going to add our red oil to it. Then let it sit for some seconds before you add your onion, and after that we're just going to allow our oil to saute. Then we're just going to add our Riro to it and then mix it together for some few seconds. Then I'm just going to add my grated onion and grated pepper to it and also mix it as you can see. Then I'm just going to add our next ingredient, which is our pomo to it, because we all know pomo really doesn't have taste, so you have to put your pomo early in order for it to have taste. And also this is our protein, we'll add our protein to it and a little bit of seasoning cubes. I really don't know why seasoning cubes are this hard, so I'm just going to mix together. And then cover it and allow it to sit between 5 to 7 minutes on a medium heat. And after that, this is what we have. So we're just going to mix it again. Then add our crayfish to it. For my efo leaves, it is washed with just warm water. There's no need for you to boil it. I just rinsed it properly with warm water and allow it to sit in a sieve. So I'm just going to add it to it and then mix together until it is properly combined. And this took some minutes because I really wanted to be properly combined together. So this is what we have. So I'm just going to add our fish to it, then a little bit of seasoning and salt to it. Mix again, but not like the first time. So I'm just going to make sure my fish is properly seated inside my vegetable soup. That's my Riro soup. Then I'm going to cover this and allow it to boil between 8 to 10 minutes on a medium heat. Then after that, I added my meat stock to it and allow it to boil again for another 3 minutes. And after that, this is what we have. So I'm just going to mix it again, and at this stage I'm just trying to make sure my vegetable is properly cooked but not overcooked. Then I'm just going to cover this and put the heat off because our vegetable is ready and time for us to serve. So this is what we have. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Have you ever tried this recipe? Would you be recreating this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out. And do not forget to watch our other videos to learn how to make your easy and affordable recipe. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next. And also, you want to guess which swallow I paired this with? Bye.